Hi friends, welcome back to Joe Educare.
In this video, I explained the problem on 2 wattmeter method.
So let's get into the video.
The given question is 2 wattmeter is connected to measure the power in 3-phase balanced load circuit. Total power is given as 3000 watt and power factor is given as 0.866 lagging. They are telling to find the wattmeter readings. So by seeing this question, we can say that this problem comes under 2 wattmeter method. So 2 wattmeter method, they are telling to find out the wattmeter readings. It means they are telling to find wattmeter readings of 2 wattmeters. So W1 and W2, this is what they are telling to find. So we'll write on what is given in the problem. You can see that total power is given as 3000 watt. So power is given as 3000 watt. So power is nothing but 3-phase power which is given, and power factor is given as 0.866 lagging. So now what to find, we'll write down what to find. So to find, as I told, they're telling to find wattmeter readings, that is W1 and W2. So this is about problem. Total power is given. So total power which comes under 2 wattmeter method. So you know that when you add 2 wattmeter readings, you will get total power. So I can write this power which is given as 3000 watt can also be written as W1 plus W2. When you add 2 wattmeter readings, you will get total 3-phase power, so which is equal to 3000 watt. So that is what they are given indirectly. Total power means when you add 2 wattmeter reading, you will get that total power as 3000 watt. So I can write that from the question they are given, W1 plus W2 is equal to 3000 watt. So this is what they are given. I will take this as equation number 1. I need to find out W1 and W2 wattmeter readings. So from the given data, I got an equation for W1 plus W2. Now if I want to find out W1 and W2 individual wattmeter readings, so if I get an equation for W1 minus W2 is equal to some value, if I get some equation for this, I can simplify this and I can find out W1 and W2 reading separately. So my target is to find out an equation for W1 minus W2, so that I can simplify these two equations and I can find out the individual wattmeter readings. So for that, what I'm going to do is just see the given data. Power is given, okay, from that we have written the equation number 1. Now one more parameter is given apart from power, that is power factor. So since the power factor is given under 2 wattmeter method concept, it means that we have derived a formula for power factor under 2 wattmeter. That formula we are going to use here. Power factor formula is given as now from this power factor formula, so your W1 plus W2 is given as 3000 watt. Now in this formula I can easily simplify and I can find out the equation for W1 minus W2 which is in the numerator. So I will just see what is given. Power factor is given. Power factor is nothing but cos phi. So cos phi value is given. I can substitute here. So in the place of cos phi, I will substitute 0.866 the power factor value, which is equal to cos, write it as it is, tan inverse of root 3 W1 minus W2. In the denominator, W1 plus W2, that is nothing but equation number 1. The value is given as 3000. Substitute here. Now I need to simplify this and I'm going to find out the equation for W1 minus W2. So we'll simplify this step by step. I'll explain you. It is very easy. First thing is, take this cos to left side. So cos will become cos inverse of 0.866 is equal to remaining term in the right side will be tan inverse of root 3 W1 minus W2 divided by 3000. Now cos inverse of 0.866 will be 30, which is equal to tan inverse of root 3 W1 minus W2 divided by 3000. Now next step what you have to do is tan inverse you have to take to left side. So tan inverse, when you take to the left side, it will become tan of 30, which is equal to the remaining terms in the right side will be root 3 W1 minus W2 divided by 3000. So tan 30 you will get, when you simplify, 0.577 is equal to root 3 W1 minus W2 divided by 3000. Now I'll take this 3000 to the left side, it will get multiplied. So 0.577 into 3000, which is equal to root 3 W1 minus W2 will remain in the right side. So I'll get the answer when you simplify this as 1732.25 is equal to root 3 W1 minus W2. Now I need an equation for W1 minus W2. So this root 3 I will take it to left side, it will get divided. So when I simplify this, I'll get the answer as 1000 is equal to W1 minus W2. So this was our target to find out an equation for W1 minus W2. Take it as equation number 2. So equation number 2, W1 minus W2, we got the answer as 1000 watt. So this was second equation. Now I'll simplify this. When I add these two equations, so W2 gets cancelled, you'll get 2 times W1 is equal to 4000 watt. So W1, when you simplify, you'll get 2000 watt. Take any one of the equation, either 1 or 2. So I will take equation number 1. So from equation number 1, you know that W1 plus W2 is equal to 3000. So W1 you got the value as 2000 plus W2 is equal to 3000. So I'll simplify this. I'll take 2000 to the right side. So W2 is equal to 3000 minus 2000 will be 1000.
Bible verse to meditate on.
Check out other videos in my channel regarding Basic Electrical and Diploma Mathematics 1. Please support this channel by subscribing to Joe Educare and click on the bell button to get the notification regarding new videos. Thank you. God bless you all.